Ka3na, e dey cause the gbas-gbos for the social media lifestyle with her new private jet wey she claim say she buy for the dream life, because according to wetin dey play, she don make some $900 million from when she dey sleep. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing now don turn trend for the social media lifestyle. Wetin sup and the whole full update on wetin you suppose hear, wetin dey sup with Ka3na, who be Ka3na? Ladies and gentlemen, for most of una wey no know the update, I dey here to give una the full update on wetin dey play. Now, Wizkid in Paris, Wizkid go Paris, he goes to the street of Paris. The oyibo wey dey there, they see am, they pass, they don't greet am, they don't do one or two things. Other 30BG gang, they come put the Davido lifestyle, talk say to see na Davido, all the whole updates he gather here. Portable Omolalomi, he don come out come drop some freestyle about the Davido meeting, and he come yarn wetin sup, say Davido rip am. Ladies and gentlemen, all these updates e plenty for ground and e full ground yekpete with all the other updates. You know say for this particular program for M3 Reacts, I no dey give now just one, I dey pack am plenty because I dey give now the roundup of wetin sup and wetin dey play for the social media lifestyle. Now, make I no burn out too much, but you know wetin go sup, dey show me love. Dey understand? Go to YouTube lifestyle, the YouTube life. Make sure say you subscribe. If you never subscribe, do well to subscribe and like this page. Now, make I enter the Ka3na. Who be Ka3na? Ka3na na once the BBN, that is the Big Brother Naija, the 2020. She dey among the housemates dem wey contest for the who want to be the OTL, but she no win. She categorically for some kind lifestyle wey be say they remove am. Now, after then, she marry one oyibo, but recently wey we dey talk to oyibo, may your soul rest in peace. Yes, may your soul rest in peace. But man, so ladies and gentlemen, e sup, but Ka3na na person wey be say na single mother. She get one beautiful daughter. After she leave the BBN lifestyle, she don dey drop some kind of updates wey be say dey scatter the social media lifestyle. First of all, she drop say she buy one Range Rover Bella, wetin dey call the Range Rover Sport, OTL, wey she come dey paint all the whole social media lifestyle, say she dey paint am brown because according to the motor wey she buy. Now, in the year 20, if I no mistaken, 2019 stroke 20 something like that, she don post say her dream jet na that same jet wey dey scatter the social media lifestyle, wey all the whole celebrities now come dey post. I no mean the like of dem Davido, because we all know say the like of dem Davido and dem Burna and dem Wizkid, they are bigger boys and their jets. Some of them dey close their jets. According to wetin we hear, they say Wizkid get jet. According to wetin we hear, they say the burnaboy too. You know, they roll on the sporting OTL gbogbo lifestyle. Now, when she leave the Big Brother house and she do some kind of updates, even before then she don marry, she don do some kind of updates wey be say she when she leave there, she come begin dey post her pikin, but not quite long, her husband wey be the white man, he kpai. From there, she come begin dey the pepper us, dey give them the social media lifestyle, dey do some big quotes. Though no be her first time wey she dey travel with private jets. For some of una wey know the full updates, if you go her page for Instagram, official Ka3na, her Ka3na na Ka3, she can't write 3, she can't write NA. You understand? Official, something like that. Like, we say, no be today she don't travel with some kind particular private jet wey be say no get label. Now, wetin cause the social media lifestyle wey all the whole celebrity, the like of that dey freeze, the like of them this girl with the big bum wey dey cause particular, and some Yoruba actress too come dey post their own part wey dem sef don buy private jet. Wetin cause the update? Na when she photoshop her name put for the private jet, wey be say some private jet owner wey dey use their jet dey rent wan use tackle government or use call her government say one or two things up, she come carry that particular picture wey she don post like years ago, come talk say she don buy private jet. Ladies and gentlemen, this matter wey I dey tell you presently, e dey cause woto, e dey cause katakata, e dey cause gbogbo èèyàn kan sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Everybody just dey talk about the matter wey madam, if I take am easy, but you go blame her. Person wey come out socially, come talk say for her sleep, post some white tees, talk say the messenger say she don make $900 million. Na that place I believe say the social media for start to the charts. But though some websites wey be the official website, I mean the like of them, some popular website don carry am say person talk say in dey sleep make $900 million. E remain $100 million make e complete $1 billion. Hey, when the story drop, na think say she dey play. No, most of us dey say no, she no go give us another lamba or wetin dey play. Na when she come post the picture days ago of the private jet and her Range Rover Sport. Some people come later say she no even talk say she buy Rolls Royce. Katemamu díẹ̀ make we take am small from when we start from. But na private jet madam go for. E be like na where her eyes dey, because as she post that thing, e get reason why she post am. She get mission. People come later say fake life plenty for social media lifestyle. But hey, ladies and gentlemen, for all of you wey dey watch me and me wey dey bring out this gbasgbo for the social media lifestyle, I always dey tell una say no be everything wey dey for social media. No, for your own information, if you dey believe wo, because I am not here to preach for you, I'm not a preacher man. But what I am saying is that you all know, even me and you wey dey for here, na your best picture you go post for social media. Except those people wey be say they break their hearts, wey come social media lifestyle come dey cry say ó ti pa mí o, ó ti break heart mi, Kunle don break my heart, no be even Kunle no even popular, ṣeun àbí ọgbẹ́ni Natasha arise, and wetin we come dey hear now be say the thing be like na fake, no be say even be like na fake until make Ka3na, but Ka3na still leave the post for her social media lifestyle, because for her, when I check last for her Twitter page, which is the X now, she don get more than 1 million views, so she leave am for there gbegede for now. Say fẹ́ kú, you don't know wetin be fẹ́ kú, wo e go yan for the social media lifestyle, and wetin dey play now be say some people come you see when you read comment of some kind post, you go shake your head say Some people come dey bring out the life of like Sam Larry, say Sam to your long. Men na leave this matter, make it a boy for the social media lifestyle. You get some kind of word, men na God. I don't know, maybe some people na agent of the bringing the past to the present. Ladies and gentlemen, this matter, if I get video, I for play for you. But the pictures where you see and the visual where you see, now waiting there on board. And now why you gonna see all those things where they trend, where they like of the celebrity they post stamp, where they self don't buy private jet. It be like everybody now, private jets now. But hey, do you know what it takes to have a private jet? I'm not here to motivate you or to tell you anything. Private jet, you cannot carry private jet from Lagos Island to mainland, you. You cannot carry private jet from here to Ghana. When you what are you using private jet to do? You must earn it. You must work them. You must be a business person or you must be a traveler. That is not be the whole just, ladies and gentlemen, not be the whole updates I bring up for you, ladies and gentlemen, because I get them plenty. Recently, the like of the Wizkid, me I don't meow me down, I don't move. The like of the Wizkid go Paris. Wait to go to for Paris, he go do some business. You know, say men like Wizkid and men like Burnaboy and men like Davido, they don't travel for fun. They fit travel go enjoy you, but inside the enjoyment they make some kind of money. That's why the get some kind of people will be say you know if you imitate them or do what they run. Mba, you go do your lane. Most of them go they laugh, go they talk, they video like they ball. But inside that balling, they making the money. Now Wizkid go Paris, go do some kind of level. For the kind of level, the first video we see, now when you come out from one kind place where they sell some kind of nice clothing, where boys them they chilling, where they come out one entire car, some kind of Igbo they pass. We first see the internet take am pure because you don't tell see the Wizkid lifestyle. You know the Wizkid, he be like the coded. Yes, if you know the for studio, you know there anywhere. Now, after he come enter the car, we just say the matter they died there. They can still show us a kind of place wey be say when they come out baba carry be an loud or carry smoke put for mouth in light am enough people dey for the side dey rolling but no be that one people see for the social media lifestyle they come dey talk say how a whole Wizkid ẹyin Wizkid FC ẹgbàradì when I mean say ẹgbàradì you hold yourself well that big call just say if na Davido enter this place no people go see am they come bring out one old video of Davido for the Paris lifestyle wey be say e come be like say people call it hail am people just say is that David kini gangan. My own take be all the matter be say you see we online in-law and online tapper on the backstage key typer and comment mention am na well done. No na dey make the social media lifestyle make sense no without you guys even Davido no dey sef yes without RTBG Davido no dey without Wizkid FC Wizkid dey learn because everybody carry for head tackling as they show the Wizkid party they come show the Davido party this pattern you don see am I bin never see am make I play am for you cause when I come back make I go give you the full update on wetin dey play I dey here for you to dey give you wetin dey play.
Hello Wizkid, how are you? Ferme les portes, vous fermez les portes. Je mets les sacs. Ouais, mais donne le sac. Donne-nous son téléphone. Donne-nous son téléphone. Si les Yankees veulent come back, they know. They're not Yankees though. That's why they're French.
I been and see the video where they play now. Now get am now. You get the scope. The child won't cause Ka3na for the social media lifestyle. Hey, kilo day. But hey, the violence is enjoyable. We are enjoying what's going on. Ladies and gentlemen. I love it, but hey, moving on. This same Davido where they talk. Say it be like he get fans about this thing. Now in the Portable they drag. No Portable no one hear word yo. We all know say Portable na controversial thing. In they take they make sense for the lifestyle. Cause in the claims of kind level. Now in come talk say Davido rip am. That one when he talk it shock me. He shocking me small but he don't do shocking me because no be today. Portable don dey shout ó ti rípù mí o kò rípù mí o ó fẹ́ rípù mí o. The matter long. You know when matter long sometimes you just have to swallow am. Now Portable after the whole gbas post no one still keep mouth comot for the whole lifestyle. We hear one time when he talk say some people come carry gun one shoot am for US where he dey they come out to relocate am comot for where he dey the place where they lodge am to another place but now Portable don come out come dey drag the like of the Davido though if you have watched the video but if you have not watched it ladies and gentlemen I am telling you in full extent that the update on what is going on is that Portable is trying to claim that Davido would have given him money. He would have appreciated it if Davido gave him the money that he used to buy the shoe. He come like say he no like the shoe. He come like say the food wey they give am chop he dey claim say shey he no come chop ni he wey carry first class enter US why they go dey give am food they no give am featuring because they know say featuring go bring money they no give am money cash they come buy shoe for am he no get shoe ni. Boy for all of now wey no hear Yoruba problem don play but I go play the Portable lifestyle for now but the whole thing wey he dey talk for the video wey I wan play for now be say he dey talk say they rip am ni how a whole Davido matter wan sup o because presently now 30BG don dey call out Davido pe why Davido too good but we know say Davido no like recently now apart from after he link up with Portable, you know, look at the like of Odumodu. You don't look at the like of some other artists wey feature the like of them. Plenty musicians wey be say they all come and too, and Davido they show love. We all know. Davido na one of those people wey blow dope scissor. Know that dope scissor, that lady now wey dey DJ wey be say, oh God. But hey, let's go Chabaye, go Portable. When we come back, don't worry, I get more updates. See, Salaway end matter deal. No, matter day. Make a Ka3na Chabaye first.
You rip me. You see me in America. Invite me in America. Invite me, give me food, give me issue. You don't give me money, you post me. Ha! You use me trend, you post me. You don't give me food, you post me, I'm a superstar. Ah! You rip Bobo Kadija. Like Bobo Kad. Then got to go be $10,000 left. You better say, you got to go $10,000 left. What's it, 20K? I'm just money, me where I enter first class, come America. They post my picture, oh. They snap picture. No bocard. You see superstar, they snap picture, no bocard. You $4 first. $1 go back at it. I was going only I will that you then Billy wa that you go radio. Go see me. Ah, go see me. Set I want see me. And then I below say, don't buy a way. Oh, Tawo, don't buy a book card. Oh, I'm there. Go see me. Go see me. Osime! Kosime! Tumaya kwebe bota ubo gadini. Uambe. Kosime! It's not Bishop in America. You do video, you post, you check, you know Bogart. Oh, Osime!
So far they don't say me they cancel Portable. But hey, it does not look like Portable can be cancelled though. Because this is not the era of when only radio station go play your song, only TV station go play your song. I don't know which day Portable don't touch charts for lack of MTV Base or Sound City or they plan to play a song or everybody radio blend. But online lower. On Taberuni. So hey, I'm very sorry to tell you that Portable is another weary. Yeah, that is scattering the whole movement. But hey, big shout out to Davido because his recent event where they go massive. But hey, if you don't know, say burnaboy won't kill the London Stadium. Now burnaboy won't destroy recently. Hey, brother and sister, wait here the yana. Oh God. But hey, make I go for the salad. The salad I want use it because you know say all my program I always get some kind of basketballs. You get one skit where one guy drop, but that skit na reality. How you go also for oh God? You go there with your friend from the beginning before they kill the Rambo they won't kill. You go sweep. If your friend go even pursue you. No, this is pure comedy. When I mean pure comedy, it is a pure story of what really happened. Because we know tell Shingbang. It is not painful, but we are enjoying our lifestyle. But at the same time, no, may I not forget say, Mary go soon born. Calm down. Jesus go soon born. Jesus' birth is coming soon, very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, make a Ka3na Chabaye to the mentor. And when I come back, I give now the rate update we did for grant. I dare here for you.
But let's go, you know be Muslim, you just help us get everything for money. Help you now, man no help you. Man no help you. Money I not tired for you. But let's go, you need to speak God back. You don't need them now. I leave them now. I beg now. You don't need them now. The same. I don't need that. I go gas clean everywhere for you now. Come they go your house. Come they go your house. If the person go buy firewood now, who don't they do this one now? Who don't they do this one? Who don't go? Share now you be the alapata baby. No, you be the alapata baby draw. You why you want to draw this? Why you want to draw this work? Why do you have to tell me? My don't listen to nobody. You go sit to chop. You go your house. You go sit to chop. They go your house. They go. They go.
They go. Come they go your house. Come down, Joy. Go and punish the king. Sit down. They go. Come they go your house. Come they go your house. Idiots.
Yeah, I'll be back soon now. Man, go freshen up.
They go.
Man, go freshen up now.
Come on, fire.
Mayana, Aliami, AJ, I live in a so man, don't drop cooler for my cooler.
Come back, Ija. Rice don't finish, food don't finish, everything don't finish. Even drinks God don't finish.
What's it up?
Rice don't finish, meat don't finish, drink don't finish, everything don't finish.
Show me serious. Don't after all the things I did this morning.
What have you done?
Okay, calm down. All those legs were roast safe, everything safe. Wait.
He don't finish. Row.
Show me all this one now.
Now, but Akule even carry 4 legs out of all those legs. But Akule carried 4 legs out of all those legs.
Man, this is unfair. I swear to God.
I don't tell you.
Now if you the only Muslim friend what I get.
I dey tell you for money say after don't do anything stupid. You dey clean cobwebs. You dey fight kini. Who send you message? Oga go dey go your house. They go.
To worry báyìí síbẹ̀ sí máa fi mí lẹ̀ nìyẹn tí a máa wò mí níyàn ebi lù mí pa àbí ìgbà ìpọ́njú la ń mọ̀ rẹ o.
I swear that to me my do you know fair. But I go lock up Christmas dey come. I swear Christmas no wahala.
How person go come back, you go tell am say food don no, normally the guy get patient in you. Ó yẹ kó pe FBI. No, ká má tẹ̀ pé FBI. Bóyá ká tẹ̀ pé bí DSS. Kó wá gbé anybody. Upon all the wahala, he sweep decking, sweep cobweb, sweep this one. The 4 leg wey even away one roast. You say wahala the best share bye. Ladies and gentlemen, I am here more to give you all the update and what's going on the basketballs. And you know, say every other update we dey for social media lifestyle. Make wait I go do say make I pack everything for now. Make I plan for now. So now you go know what they say. I dey here for you to give you the full update of what they play. You don't need to go anywhere. Just go also for your daily 2K, your daily pay, and when you just also come back, just M3 yards. I dey here for you on the social media lifestyle for M3 yards. Hey, lọ wo ná tó bá dé jẹ́ kí fún ẹ tán wéé lọ ó ti yẹ mo wà pẹ̀lú ẹ. I dey with you.
Bless, you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's your name? Where you from?
Call me burnaboy. I'm from Africa, Nigeria,
Yes,
the
sir.
world.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nigeria's in the house. Start playing with them. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Describe your fit today.
Shit, it's LV. Shit. Got it for free.
Okay. LV got it for free. You see the change.
Yeah, man. Runway shit.
Oh my God, everything. So that's free.
Yeah,
You
man.
give anybody a styling tip, what would it be?
Man, be you, really. You get me? Don't be too influenced by things that's not, that doesn't really appeal to you.
I like that. We drop that. Don't worry about that. Bro.
Let me grab that right quick.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's your favorite meal?
Favorite meal, fried yam and stew.
What's your favorite song right now?
I just recorded it last night.
Oh, what a flight. Favorite movie?
Favorite movie right now, I have to say Lupin.
Okay.
You don't see wetin they play for the social media lifestyle and all the updates and wetin they play on the basketballs. All of them meow. That is why you need to subscribe and always watch the M3 React. Follow me on Papinla. I dey here. At least ẹgbẹ́ mi débẹ̀. Show me more love. And as I dey here with you, don't forget all the upcoming superstars. No worry, just the hustle they go. You go blow. And for all of you wey dey house wey dey hustle, no forget to pay. No be everything wey see for social media lifestyle yo. Na real. But at the same time, be real to yourself. No be advice yo. OTL, live your life the way you like am. Or the way I love ya. Show me love. Like, share, everywhere. If you dey watch for the TV lifestyle, gbagbe, dey here for you. Love ya. Odi.